Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Student, we will start with GK. Take out your books. We will start with chapter 40, very interesting chapter, means of transport. You all have read about it in your previous classes. Like means of transport, anything help us to move from one place to another, that is called means of transport, like airways, waterways, landways, railways. As we know that airways is the fastest means of transport. So we are going to discuss about this. Okay. Now, number 1. It is suspended above a single track. The force of magnetism is used to move it. The train travels at high speed because of the lack of contact between the track and the train. It runs fast just because of the lack of contact between the track and the train, lack contact, and it runs with the help of a force of magnetism. Answer is maglev train, as you can see in the picture also. Now, number 2. It was the first machine to fly in the air with a person aboard. It was built by the French Montgolfier brothers in 1783. It flew 8 km on its first flight in Paris on 21st November 1783. As you can see in the picture, we are talking about hot air balloon. Number 3. It is a boat which contains wings below the hull. Hull means the main body of the ship. These wings lift it out of the water. That is why it is much faster than ordinary boats. Why it is much faster than ordinary boats? Because the wings lift it out of the water, and the name is hydrofoil. The word hydro comes from water. Number 4. It runs on a single elevated track. Elevated means higher above the surroundings. Though many trains run on elevated tracks, but the best way to identify this transport is to see whether the train wraps around the track or not. The name of a train is monorail. Number 5, as it is clear from its name, we are talking about hovercraft. It is half a boat and half a plane. It skims means move quickly and gently across the sea or land on a cushion of air. It can travel over swamps, beaches, water or level land. Swamps means marshy area. It can also travel over marshy areas where water collects. Name is hovercraft, H-O-V-E-R, hover, C-R-A-F-T. And the last you are aware about it, that is it runs in some metropolitan cities like Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai. It is from the fast mass public transport system using trains. Some portion of the rail track runs underground through tunnels. That is metro train. This is very interesting chapter. Rack your brain. Okay? There are some questions, maths based questions are given in this chapter. We are going to solve it. जो अभी तक हमने किया उसकी हमको बेटा, अगर जैसे मैं आप लोगों को बात करूं कि 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, तो आपके माइंड में एकदम से क्या क्लिक करेगा कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. 2 is 4, 4 is to 2 6, 6 then 8, 8 then 12, 12 then 14. ठीक है. एक नेक्स्ट सीरीज और मैं आपको देती हूँ. दैट इज़ 1, नेक्स्ट इज 3, 5, 7 एंड 11. जल्दी बताइए क्या आया आपके माइंड में, किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? यस, एग्जैक्टली, दैट इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्राइम नंबर्स. तो बच्चों इसमें यही दे रखा है, सीरीज दे रखी है, हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है एक के बाद एक आंसर देखते हुए कि इसमें कौन सी सीरीज चल रही है. वो मैं आपको 1 by 1 बताती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की बात करें तो 3, 7, 5, 1, 0, 5, 4 numbers are given here. We have to identify the relation in between. So guess और आंसर हम लोग सोचते हैं. जैसे 3 into 7 अगर हम बात करें तो 3 into 7 that is 21 and 21 multiplied by 5 is equal to 105. Let's check कि क्या सब में ये सीरीज चल रही है. 6 into 4, 24. 24 multiplied by 8 is equal to 192. Clear? Now the last is which we have to solve. 9 into 9 is 81 and 81 multiplied by 9 is equal to 729. I hope you understood it. Now the question number 2 which we are going to solve it. This now question number 2. It is given in this form. 1. First of all, I have written the number which have already given to us, that is 1, 5, 11, 19, 29, 41 and it is not given, then 71 is given. So we have to identify which series is going on. If we add 1 plus 4, then what we will get? We will get 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Now 5 plus 6 we will get 11. तो कैसे आया ये? 2 नंबर हमने इसमें ऐड किए 4 में. अब गैस करिए कि 6 में 2 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों? 8 प्लस 2 किया 8 और 8 प्लस 11 इज इक्वल टू 19. Clear? 19 is written here. Now same 10, then plus 2 12, then plus 2 14. अब हम यहाँ प्लस करते हैं. 19 plus 10 29. 2 हमने इसमें यहाँ ऐड किया 29 which is written over here. Now 29 plus 12 is equal to 41. 41 plus 14 आपको समझ में आ रहा है ये कैसे आया? 2 ऐड करते करते 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14 is equal to 55. So our answer which we have to fill will be 55. Let's check whether our series is correct or not. We will add 14 plus 2 means 16 and we will get 71 means we are correct. Now the question number 3. You can write, you can see the series which is going on. Diagonally बेटा हम देखें तो squares चल रहे हैं. 3 का square 9, 5 का square 25, 7 का square 49, 8 का square 64. तो आंसर विल बी 64. चलिए बच्चों क्वेश्चन 4 में देखते हैं क्या सीरीज चलती है. हमको दे रखा है 2, 4, 12, 48 एंड वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट विल कम इन दैट प्लेस. ओके, let's check. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 2, 3. अब next 4. किससे? 12 से. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. अब बच्चा किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 48 को 5 से. Yes. 48 into 5 is equal to 240. Then we will multiply 240 by 6 and we will get 1440. And the series will continue. 1440 multiplied by 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continue. है ना? Now we will get 10080 and so on. Now students, question number B, write the missing numbers. First you have to do it by yourself. I am going to explain the second one. Students, first of all read this series 7, 7, 4, 8, 10, 8, 7, 9, 3. हमारे माइंड में कुछ नहीं आता कई बार. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अभी हमने जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन जिस मेथड से सॉल्व करें वही यहाँ पर कंटिन्यू हो. प्लस चल रहा है तो एडिशन चल रहा है तो एडिशन कंटिन्यू हो, माइनस चल रहा है तो माइनस कंटिन्यू हो. नो, समटाइम्स 2 ऑपरेशंस वर्क ऑल टुगेदर. हाउ इट हैपन्स? लेट्स सी. 7 into 7, what will we get? We will get 49. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Now we are getting 45 as a final answer. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 49, then we will get 45. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from 49. What will we will get? We will get 45. Let's check, is it worked in the next series column also? Start. 8. What we have to do first? First we have to multiply the first 2 numbers, then we have to subtract the third number. Okay. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 80 minus 8 is equal to 72. It means we are correct. Now 7 into 9, that is 63. And we will subtract 63. 3 from 63, that is 60, and the answer will be 60. Okay. Now the next, see, the sum of each row, column or diagonal is the same. So hint is given here. Fill in the blank. This is row and this is column. So the sum will be equal. So we are going to solve it. First of all, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. तो डायगनल बात करें, कॉलम वाइज बात करें या रो वाइज बात करें तो हमारा सम 24 आना चाहिए. इस तरीके से हमको अरेंजमेंट करना है. नाउ तो 9 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 13. तो अगर हम 24 माइनस 13 करें तो वी विल गेट 11. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट इन दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क? 11. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, 10 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 16. 24 अगर हमको सम लाना है तो 24 माइनस 16 इज इक्वल टू 8. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? 8. नाउ सेम 5 प्लस 12 17, 17 प्लस 7 24. कंप्लीट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीरीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 8, 27, 64 एंड 125 इज गिवन. तो बेटा ये सीरीज़ कैसे चल रही है? अगर हम बात करें तो ये 2 का क्यूब है 8, ये 3 का क्यूब है 27, ये 4 का क्यूब है 64, 5 का क्यूब 125, नाउ 6 का क्यूब 216. Students, second is a homework for you. I am going to solve question number 3. Now 2, 3, 5, 8, 12. 2 plus 1, what we will get? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now what we will add in next? 3. 5 plus 3, we will get 8. Now 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 में क्या ऐड करेंगे बच्चों? 6. So we will get 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. Try to solve it in your rough copy also. Students, I hope you understood it. Thank you so much.